Welcome. In this walkthrough, you'll create a complete Team Hub in Glide, step by step, and publish it so others can use it. We'll start in your browser. Set up a clean data table for your team. Design a simple, readable screen, and finish by putting it live. Follow along, pause as needed, and by the end, you'll have a professional hub that's easy to maintain. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Glide. Log in with your account so you can access your projects. Once you're in, open the app you want to edit. If you have several, double-check you're inside the correct one before continuing. Everything we build next will live inside this app. At the top of the editor, click Data. This opens Glide's Data Editor, which is where your app's information is stored and organized. Think of each table as a spreadsheet that feeds your screens. Creating a clean, well-labeled table now will make layout and updates a lot easier later. In the left sidebar, click the plus icon to add table. Choose blank table. You'll get an empty sheet to define exactly what your Team Hub needs. Rename the new table to Team. Clear, singular names help you keep track of where things are, and this one will hold all your people information. You'll see a first column already created. Rename this first column to Member Name. This is the main identifying field for each person, and it will often appear in lists and titles, so keep it simple and consistent. Use the member's full name format your organization typically uses, so everything displays neatly. Now add the rest of the fields you'll need. Click New Column. Create a column called Role and set its type to text. Add another column called Department, also as text. Finally, add a column called Email and choose the email type. Using the email type rather than plain text lets Glide recognize addresses for actions like sending messages or creating quick links. Keeping these types accurate ensures data validation and better features down the line. With the structure in place, start adding people. Click New Row and enter the first team member's details, their member name, role, department, and email. Continue adding rows for each person to build out your team. If you're entering a lot of information, it helps to keep capitalization and wording consistent, like using the same department names throughout. The cleaner your data is here, the more polished your app will feel without extra work. When your table looks good, move on to designing how this data appears to users. Click Layout in the top menu. This takes you to the visual editor where you decide what people see and how they navigate your app. In the left sidebar, look for the navigation section and click the Add icon. This creates a new tab or screen entry point. Set this new screen to use the team table as its source. Selecting the main screen connected to the team table ensures all the components you add will pull directly from the member rows you just created, so changes in data flow straight through to the interface. Now, choose a layout style in the right sidebar. You'll see different styles that determine how lists and details are presented. Pick an option that fits the size of your team and how you expect people to browse. For a straightforward directory, a simple list or compact card layout keeps names and roles readable without overwhelming the screen. You can always adjust the style later if you want a different look. Next, in the left sidebar, click Add Component. From the list of components, click Simple. This adds a simple content block or list that's easy to configure for a Team Hub. With the component selected, look to the right sidebar to edit its content. Map the title field to member name, so names are front and center. Then map supporting fields to role and department to give quick context about each person. If the component supports secondary text or captions, use them to show role or department beneath the name for a tidy, scannable list. You can also set the email field to appear in a detail view or as an action when tapping a row, keeping the main list clean while making contact easy. As you refine the screen, arrange the components in the left sidebar. Drag them to sort the order you want them to appear. Lead with what users need at a glance, usually the list of members, then any supporting components below. Keep spacing and hierarchy in mind so it's effortless to scan and tap. Take a moment to preview and verify that names, roles, departments, and emails display correctly, and that your chosen layout style feels right at the size of your team. Small adjustments here, like tightening labels or shortening long titles, can make a big difference in readability. When your Team Hub looks and feels the way you want, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Glide will prepare a shareable version of your app. Publishing makes your changes live, so anyone with access to the app will see the Team Hub immediately. If you plan to share it broadly, consider reviewing your app's privacy and access settings ahead of time to ensure the right people can view it. That's it. Your Team Hub is live and ready to use. You created a dedicated team table, added member details with clean types for text and email, designed a clear list layout, and published the finished screen. Keep your hub current by returning to the Data tab anytime you need to add or edit a member. Updates will flow through to the layout you built. Thank you for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial on how to create a Team Hub in Glide. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Glide tutorials and no-code app guides. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you in the next tutorial.